Okay, here's another example. Initially, a mixture of 0.100 molar NO, 0.050 molar H2, and 0.100 molar H2O was allowed to reach equilibrium. There was no N2 present initially. At equilibrium, the concentration of NO was found to be 0.062 molar. Calculate Kc, and they give you the equation there. Again, the underscore should be an arrow. So, first thing we want to do again is set up our ice table. So here we have NO, we have H2, we have N2, and we have H2O, and I, C, and E. So they've given us all of the initial concentrations. So NO is 0.100, H2 is 0.050, N2 they said was zero concentration, and H2O 0.100. Now we assign our values of change in equilibrium. So according to the balanced equation, NO is minus 2x, H2 is minus 2x, N2 is plus x, and H2O is plus 2x. And finally, they give us the equilibrium concentration of NO, which is 0.062. So we can take the change in the NO concentration is going to be 0.100 minus 0.062. So I'm basically taking, let me change that to red. I'm taking the initial minus the equilibrium to figure out what this value is, not the value of x, but what the whole value is. So 0.1 minus 0.62 is equal to 0.038. That's how much it changed. And that represents all of minus 2x. So that means that we have to cut this number in half. So we get x is equal to 0.019. So that means that we can change our values in our table here. So I can replace this with 0.019. I can replace plus 2x with plus 0.038. That's a positive. And I can replace both of those with minus 0.038, minus 0.038. And so now I can calculate K. Oh, sorry, before I do that, I gotta go back and find my equilibrium concentrations, because I can't calculate my equilibrium constant unless I have my equilibrium concentrations. So again, equilibrium concentrations, or E, is represented by I plus C. So 0.05 minus 0.038 is equal to 0.012. This 0 plus 0.019 is obviously 0.019, and 1 plus 0.1 plus 0.038 is 0.138. Now I can use this entire row to calculate K. So that's equal to N2 times H2O squared, remember, because it's to the power of the coefficient, and this is divided by NO squared times H2 squared, and I'm going to use all of these values here. So that is equal to 0.019 times 0.138 squared over 0.0662 squared times 0.012 squared, and that is equal to 650. That seems like a very strange number. Let's just double check.